Okay, we're gonna make a Zalad from Zaxby's. We got the chicken tenders. Okay, next we got the milk, eggs, mustard, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, we're gonna chop up the chicken tenders a little bit so they can be smaller. We're gonna throw it in the eggs, the milk, with all the seasoning I just showed y'all. We're gonna put that in the refrigerator, wrap it in aluminum foil, have it in it for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. We're gonna use vegetable oil. We're gonna put it on seven. We're gonna put it on 6 or 7. We're gonna put the vegetable oil in there. You can use peanut oil if you want to, but I like to use vegetable oil. Okay, next we're gonna take out the refrigerator after 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Next we're gonna add the flour. We're gonna season it up. Just regular flour is gonna work. Salt, got paprika, got black pepper, got onion powder, garlic powder. And then next we just gonna stir that up. We're gonna add all that together and stir it up. Yep, we're gonna add all that. Yep, paprika. We're gonna put that in there. Make sure you get it all good. You don't need to measure it. I know some folks they like to measure, but if you know how to cook, you can just eyeball it and just put it in there. But that's like for the seasoning on the crust and all. I know it's been marinating and or whatever. Yeah, you gonna mix it up. Make sure you mix it up thoroughly. Okay, next we're gonna put the chicken tenders in the flour from the eggs and milk. We're gonna put it in there, put it in the flour. Yep, make sure you get everything. You don't need to drain it or whatever or tap it with I know people like to use paper towels to get all the excess water off, but yeah, we just gonna put it in the flour. Next we're gonna cover it all up. Make sure all the flour is on it so we can just when it's time to fry it, we just put it in there and everything gonna be alright. Yeah. Alright, so next we're gonna grab the chicken tenders. We're gonna put it in the flour. I mean the grease. Let it cook about 30 minutes. Grease has to be at least 350 degrees to put it in. You don't want to put it in no grease that's not hot because it's gonna take longer and then it's gonna be kind of soggy, the crust. So yeah, we're gonna put those in. We're gonna put all of them in. I think I had 6 pieces of chicken tenders, 6 or 7. Just spread them out. Yep, just like that. Next, we're gonna go in the refrigerator get some Texas toast. I know you can make your own toast or whatever, but yeah, we just use what we had. Put it on 350. Next, let them cook for about 15. They've been cooking for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And next, we're gonna flip them over. See, they're getting a little brown already, so we're gonna get ready to flip them over. Stir it up and stuff like that. And we just gonna flip them. Yep. Let it cook another 10 minutes. Wait till they get like a darker brown. We want them to be fully done. Yeah, we about to get ready to take them out. It's time to take them out. Oh yeah. Good old Zaxby's chicken tenders. Oh yeah. Looking good, ain't it? Uh-huh. Yeah. Get all that excess grease off of it. We're gonna put it in the drainer. Get all the grease out of it. Take a look at the beauty. Oh yeah. Okay, next we about to get ready to take the Texas toast out. It's been baking about 10 to 15 minutes. It should be good. You see I poked a little hole in it just to see how it was. Okay, you can use honey mustard ranch or country style ranch. I used the crackers because we didn't have croutons. Use cheese, and you can just use regular salad. Okay, so now we about to get ready to cut up the chicken tenders. I just cut up one just to show. Yep. Oh yeah. See how tender that is? Yep. Just like that. Perfectly white meat. Seasoned well. Oh yeah, just like Zaxby's. Okay, next we about to get ready to pour the salad. Just pour the salad. Next we about to put the chopped chicken in the salad. Get all that chicken. I think I cut up 2 pieces of chicken. Chicken. And you can use more than that. Okay, next we about to get ready to add the crackers to it, raisins, the ranch, not blue cheese, honey mustard. That's the end product. Looks good, don't it? Oh yeah, it was good. I just finished eating too. But yeah.